We made it. Vi klarede den herud til. Så skal vi bare signe op, og så i gang med vores Trackday. Det er så det vildeste herude. Kæmpe bane. Virkelig lækkert anlæg. Og så bare hele banen for os tre. Jeg skal bare lægge fyre den herude. Synes I?
Det er ikke helt dårligt. Det ser sindssygt ud, jo. Vi klarer den sgu. Vi kommer ind. Det Cayman, det er ikke?
Cayman GTS. Okay, dit liv væk nu. Nu har jeg det dit liv.
Ja, sådan set.
Ja, det bliver så sindssygt. Det har været vores største drøm i så lang tid at komme ud og prøve de her biler, så det med, at vi kan få muligheden herovre i USA, det bliver helt vanvittigt. Derhjemme i Danmark, der kan man aldrig, når man er i vores aldergruppe, få lov til at komme ind til at prøve det. Så det med at komme ud og få lov til at prøve det her, det er noget andet.
Ja, det er meget bedre her. Men jeg starter med at filme den her på Johan, okay. Eddie. Nice to meet you.
So you know what to do.
Yeah, I have an idea about it.
Okay, careful for your left arm. Alright, so we are driving the Porsche GT3, man. It is the Point Deux edition, so it has about 510 horsepower. It's mid to rear engine and rear wheel drive, so all the power and all the weight's in the rear. Making sure we're smooth on that throttle is going to be very important to keeping this car in a line. If we're going to be passing, since I know you guys know the experience, we have to wait for the hazards. Once we see the hazards, and on the wheel, pass left or right, you're good to go, okay?
Okay.
Last thing, yes, and I'll be here for that.
Sure.
But last thing, would you like to do automatic or manual?
Manual, please.
Manual? You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's have some fun, man. See these dark red cones? Go ahead and do a nice hard brake check for me right here, okay?
Here.
So stop. Nice. Go ahead and pull up in between the 4 orange cones. You'd be surprised how few people actually brake like that.
Oh yeah.
When you get the nose to the green, go ahead and do that. Come to a stop again. And then I'm gonna check the track. And remember, man, take your first lap easy. It's a new track, new car. All right, you ready to head out? Stay to that right side. Remember, as soon as you get the wheel straight, go ahead and give me a nice upshift. Stay to that right side. You want to get as close to these greens as you can. Turn in without hitting them, obviously. So stay to the left side. This is a tricky corner. Stay all the way left. This is your exit right there. After you pass, turn in sharp. Now smooth roll that throttle. Unwind to the left side and use the whole left side. See how it makes a straight end side to the right side? Use the right and stay to the right. We're in 5th gear now, so brake hard, downshift, downshift. Turn in and release the brakes. We want to stay in this gear. Unwind right and squeeze that throttle. Stay to the right and brake, stay right side, and turn in. Release the brakes. This is a late apex, it's right there. Then unwind right and squeeze that throttle, yep. Perfect. Cross over to your left, stay left side, stay this gear. And brakes. Yep, stay to the left side, you're good. Stay left side and turn in sharp. It's okay to cut the paint on these 2 turns only, okay? Gotcha. So cut in left and stay left. And brake, stay left. So we wanted to stay further left, turn in, clip your apex. Now unwind all the way left, go all the way left. Stay this left side, yep. And brakes. Use the momentum to push yourself out for your first apex. Release the brakes slow, aim for your second. Smooth roll that throttle, unwind right, squeeze that throttle, you're good to go. Stay right side, keep it going, nice. And brake. Stay to that right. start braking a little later for your braking. It's really great. And upshift. Stay on that right side. Stay in this gear. Stay right side. Keep it going. And really hard brake. Downshift. Stay right side. Turn in. Release the brakes. Clip your apex first. Smooth that throttle out to your right side. And brakes. Stay right side. Stay right side. And turn in. Release the brakes. Clip that late apex. Unwind to that right side. So we turn the wheel a little hard there. Upshift. Stay to the left side. All the way left. Keep it going. And hard brake. Hard brake. Stay left side. Stay left side. And turn in. You want to get in a little closer to that one. And squeeze the throttle. Crossover left. There we go. And brake, 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 brake. Release, turn in, and squeeze that throttle again. Make a straight line down to that green cone. Perfect. Keep it going. And hard brake, hard brake, hard brake. Use the momentum to push out. Release slow. Apex. Now smooth that throttle out. Unwind right. Keep it going. Stay right. Keep going. And hard brake. Stay right side. Stay right side. And turn in. Release the brakes. Clip your apex first. Stay to that left side. Maintain throttle. Stay left. Stay left. Turn in. Now smooth roll that throttle. Unwind to the left side. Nice job. Keep it going. And upshift. Stay right side. Keep going. Stay right. Stay this gear. And hard brake. Hard brake. Downshift. And turn in. Release the brakes. Clip your apex. Unwind right and smooth that throttle down. Stay right side. Hard brake. Stay right. Stay right. And turn in. Release the brakes. Clip your apex first. Unwind right. Now smooth that throttle down. There we go. Cross over to your left side. Keep it going. Keep it going. And brake, brake, brake. Stay to that left side. Stay to that left side. And turn in. Clip your apex first. Then start to smooth roll into that throttle. Stay left. Keep it going. Quick brakes. Brakes. Release. And turn in. Squeeze into that throttle again. Make a straight line down to that green. Keep it going. And hard brake. Hard brake. Use the momentum. Push all the way out. Aim for your second. Release slow. Clip your apex first. Smooth into that throttle. Perfect. Unwind to the brake, hard brake, hard brake. Stay to that right side and turn in. Release the brakes. Clip your apex first. Stay all the way to that left side. Maintain throttle. Stay left side. Perfect. Turn into your right. Smooth roll that throttle as you unwind to the left side. Nice. Keep it going. And upshift. Stay to that right side. Keep going. Stay right. Keep going. And hard brake. Stay right. Downshift. Turn in. Going. And hard brake, hard brake. And we're actually keeping it hard because that was all 7, man. We're aiming for those blues and we're going right in between, okay? Easy. We're going for the blues.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that was all 7. You're good. That was nice. And brake, brake, brake. We're bringing it down to a 15. That was excellent driving, man. We're going to park to the left of that white Porsche, okay?
Sure. On the right side? No, left. Sorry.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. Damn, it's so fast.
Yeah, man, you did a great job.
Thank you.
Pretty quick driver.
Awesome.
So as you could tell, there's a number of turns where the cones are a little off.
Yeah.
So for the example, turn 1 is one of them, and you got that down. You started to recognize it really quick. Apex starts. You want to cut the paint a little bit and stay to that left side.
Sure.
And after you pass the apex, turn in. That's when you squeeze the throttle. And you got that on that last turn. So nice. And you really, it was incredible. And then you got down that back straight, and that last turn, back straight, it's a quick turn, right?
Sure.
And then the next turn is turn 4. You started to turn in late for that, and it was perfect. You ended up working through that, and then we got through the turn 8 too. So you really cleaned up a lot of your stuff, man. Again, it was very nice to meet you. I do hope you had some fun. Now, the next step, since you don't have another car, is not this first desk, but that second desk on the left side. Sure, you can check out the video and see how fast you did. I think you did a good job. Thank you so much again. Very nice to meet you. Thank you. Very well.
Det var fucking sjovt. Det er helt utroligt, hvor hurtigt den egentlig er derude. Banen er meget mere bumlet, end man egentlig tror. Så det er... Man skal lige vende sig til det. Jeg lavede det, jeg kom ligesom til at presse lidt for over ind i svingen ind imellem. Så den, ligesom, hvor man som racerkører siger, at indgangen er mere vigtig end udgangen. Nå, men det var da meget sjovt.
Det var sindssygt. Stemt ikke dårligt.
Man får ikke nogen tider, når man kommer ud. Det er ret noget, man simpelthen ikke kan få dem.
Der hver runde var det forkert sving, jeg lavede forkert. Nogle af svingene, så gik det godt nok. Der var altid et sving, jeg lige lavede.
Jeg følte, at dækkene, det tog 2 omgange, fordi det er sådan 40 grader varmt. Så dækkene, der tog 2 omgange, og så var de bare smeltet.
Jeg havde jo de varme dæk for dig, så jeg fra starten ikke var med at gå og greb.
Ja.
Det var sindssygt. Det er herovre. Så er her på siden.
Nå.
Tænder aircondition fuldt optag.
Og vi spænder vloggen Til, ja, jeg tror bare, vi siger over and out her fra dag. Men thumbs up for alle sammen. Det var en fed oplevelse. Over and out.